Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the fog light on a 2007 Pontiac Vibe. And here's our fog light right here. We're going to be reaching our hand, the best way is in through here. There's usually a guard, but mine's gone. If you can't, there's also access at the back. I'm just going to reposition our camera under the car and show you where we're going to be reaching. We're just going to be reaching for the plug right directly behind this fog light. Alright, we'll see you in a sec. Alright, so we're under the car now. What we're looking at is the back of the fog light. So this right here, this is the gap I was showing you that you could reach through. This is your plastic guard. And this is directly behind the actual housing. And this is actually your bulb. Just gonna twist this. You're gonna go counterclockwise. And it comes out. And if you look at it, there's a clip on the back here. You just have to lift this up. Once you have it lifted, pull that off. And I'm actually going to be putting LEDs into it. And they're going to go in the exact same way. So you're just going to find the little tab, clip over top, put it in and twist, make sure it's locked in, and that's all there is to it. Once you have it all plugged in, just test your lights, make sure that they work, then you're good to go. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.